All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's a package from Malaysia, Greenroom136. Just got delivered by DHL. A review coming extremely soon. All right, guys, we are here today. I just got this package from Malaysia. So it's from one of my favorites, upcoming company, Greenroom. Well, they have been in business for a long time, but this is my second order, which got delivered first because the other one is still under production. So let's open it up. So I just concealed this with Evergood's invoice because I just don't want to show my address on the internet. All right, so wow, look at that. So this is a Multicam Black Rainmaker, the backpack. So this is as I'm looking at it, this is the first time. So we are looking at this together. All right. So let's open this bad boy up. Beautiful. This bag looks fantastic. By the way, I'm just looking at this first time with you guys, and I will do a formal review on this, but this is their Rainmaker and backpack. So when I ordered this is basically custom built. This is one of their Wildcard backpacks. Just look at it, how beautiful it is looking. Beautiful design, and look at the back harness, very comfortable cushioning, and the front view also looks awesome. Very nice stitching. Greenroom does a phenomenal job, but I did order some other extras with it. I just want to see where they put it. So as I said, I'm going to do a formal review on the backpack. I'm just opening up with you guys so we can. So there's other goodies. Let's talk about these a little bit in there. So all right, so this is the backpack. I'm going to do a formal review on it. This is a little side pouch. This is their pouch number 4. And tactical. So I'm going to do a review on this later as well. This is official patch for a Rainmaker by your Wildcard or by your command kind of a patch. So they have sent me that as well. And this is a Wedge Knickknack, they call these. And just a small pouch. This comes with the bag. You can order these. This is my customizations, and we'll go over this when I do the formal review. And this is their another sling. This is quick draw. One of their popular sling bags, and very nice. Comes with a matching buckle. This is Ranger green color, and I'll do a formal review on this one as well. And just to be with it, there is a quick draw patch. Their patches are absolutely fantastically designed. I just love them. And here another sling from them, and this one is MetroRunner Tactical with navy blue Cordura. Very nice sling. Look at the capacity. Very nice. And yeah, this one doesn't have a hidden pocket, but some of these, they do have a hidden pocket. For example, quick draw here. Nice hidden pocket. Nice padding, breathable mesh for the back panel. So, formal review of quick draw and formal review of MetroRunner and these these small knickknacks. This is their side pouch option number 4. This is their Wedge knickknack, and I provided them these colors while I was customization. I told them to do MCB Coyote brown and olive dab green. Yeah, this matches exactly what I was looking for. And of course, I'm going to do a formal review on this big Rainmaker. So this is their 30 liter, if I'm not mistaken. So with tactical front, 2 zipper pockets, have that front pocket, and also the big back pocket as well. And the Fidlock, I upgraded all my locks to Fidlock, magnetic release buckles here. And love the zippers. I think this is YKK number 10, if I'm not mistaken. So, and also I upgraded the floor pads and also this, like 2 tech pockets up front and then Velcro at the bottom. And then they have a laptop pouch here. That's another thing I added in there. And of course, so this Velcro here, which you guys can see, can have the laptop pouch. And then here we have the tech mesh for the tech. So again, as I said, I'm just going over with you guys as I see this first time. There's another Fidlock sternum strap here. See if I can open it up. And trolley, another hidden pocket on the side here. And you can put stuff in the back as well. Very nice. I just love it. But when they were manufacturing this, they sent me photos before sending it out to me, and even on the first sight, love at first sight happened at that point. So I'm going to do a formal review on this, as I said, on all these products after my 2 weeks of utilization, and then I will will let you guys know how it all went. And by the look of it, these items just came out, took it from the package in front of you guys. I'm just love to try these out, and I'll also talk about the pricing, fabrics, lining. We'll talk about the import duty, because a lot of people have those questions on the internet, and we'll try to address them one by one. Well, thank you for watching, and keep watching PackWiseGear.